Hello viewers, in the last session we learned about the value of work. Today we will learn about the economic activities and non-economic activities. There are some examples of work. First, providing free economic classes. Second, tending to our vegetable gardens. Third, running errands for the home. Fourth, parents run a shop. Can you suggest which of these are economic and non-economic activities? Let's discuss. There are two types of activities: economic activities and non-economic activities. Now, let's discuss about the economic activities. Economic activities are those that involve money, are performed in exchange for money, or money is worth for the parties involved. For examples, first, a business person selling school's bag in the market. Second, a farmer selling produce in the market. Third, a lawyer arguing a case and earning a fee. Fourth, a truck driver transporting goods. Now let's discuss about the non-economic activities. Non-economic activities are those that do not generate income or wealth but are done out of feelings like gratitude, love, care, and respect. For examples, first, parents cooking food for the family. Second, youth taking care of the grandparents. Third, family members helping in the renovation of the house. Fourth, selfless service. We see services many places such as temples, gurudwaras, mosques, church, langars, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, temples distributing prasad to devotees. Fifth, the strength of the community participation. Now let's discuss about the meaning of selfless services. While non-economic activities may not involve money, the value they generate is important in our lives. Seva, selfless services. We see seva in many places such as temples, gurudwaras, mosques, church. For instance, langar are community kitchens at gurudwaras serve food to every visitors for free. These practices foster a sense of satisfaction and gratitude for what we have, and they are also a way of contributing to society without expecting anything in return. Now let's discuss about the strength of community participations. For example, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is based on the collective efforts of all Indian citizens to keep our surroundings clean. Individually, we keep our homes and surroundings clean. People have also come together to clean up streets, roads, parks, and other public places or community areas. Together, these efforts lead to a clean home, neighborhoods, society, and nations. Another example of collective community participations is the celebration of Van Mahotsav, the festival of forest in India, to promote awareness about the value of trees and conservation of forest. The initiatives brings together members of the community for tree plantations drives. Let's discuss about value additions during the production. Economic activities add the value at each stage of the process of transforming something into another form. For examples, first, Rajesh is a carpenter who buys wood from a nearby market. for 600 rupees to make furniture. Second, he uses special tools and other materials for building the furniture. Third, Rajesh sells a chair for 1000 rupees each in the market. Today, in this chapter, we learn about the economic and non economic activities with examples and the importance of non economic activities in our life. That's all for today. We will meet in the next sessions. Thank you.